Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in the previous video I've talked about the history of C++, and in this video I'll be talking about how software is built. So stay tuned. The main aim is to generate an exe file, and that is called software. And the problem is this exe is written in a language which can be understood by only operating system. This is not human readable. And the second problem is this exe file can be understood by only one operating system. So we'll have to learn different languages for different operating systems like Windows, Linux, Mac, Android, etc., which is obviously not possible. Therefore, we don't generate an exe file directly. Instead, we have to use human understandable language like C++, C#, Java, Python, etc. A computer can work only based on instructions. The language which is contained by the exe file is nothing but some computer instructions. Now, whatever instructions we want to give to the machine, we'll write all the instructions with the help of C++ programming. We'll make a file with the extension of .cpp, means C++. That file will be considered as C++ programming file. We'll write our code, we'll write our machine instructions inside this .cpp file. Then we'll need a software called Preprocessor. The job of preprocessor is to search instructions in our code that starts with hash. If the instruction starts with hash include then file name, then it will search for the particular file that is called header file. Then preprocessor will copy all the instructions that are available in header file, and it will also copy all the instructions that we have written in our CPP file, and it will generate a new file and copy all the instructions inside this file. This newly generated file will not contain any instruction that starts with hash. This newly generated file will not only contain all the instructions that we have written in our CPP file, but also it contains all the instructions that present in our header files. Then this newly generated file is read by a software named compiler. The job of compiler is to translate the language of this file to operating system understandable language, which is called object file. Although operating system can understand this file, but there is a few instructions still available which are not understood by the operating system. The meaning of the not understandable instruction is already written in some library files. Now we require another software which is called linker, which actually links all the contents of the object file along with the library file and generates a new file, and that is called exe file, executable file, and that is our software. Now to run this software, we'll just double click on it and our software will be running as per the instruction that given in the CPP file. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please hit the like button, and if you have any queries or concerns or any suggestions to me, just drop a comment in the comment section below. I would definitely love to answer all. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it so that you don't miss any video whenever I upload. Thank you very much.